If you're taking your IAL Unit 3 exam soon, then this video is definitely for you. Today I want to show you how to prepare for this exam in the most efficient way. First of all, Unit 3 chemistry has been very predictable recently. It's mostly about four major topics. First, you need to be memorizing all about the identification of ions and gases, also about thermal decomposition of metal compounds. Number two, you need to know all the content of Unit 2 organic chemistry, especially the part about the oxidation of alcohols. Number three, examiners ask you a lot of questions about energetics, especially the parts about enthalpy change of combustion. Number four is titration. Now, this is the most important one because here they're going to ask you all about these little details about setting up the experiments, the endpoint of titration. Also, they ask you to calculate concentrations of acids and alkalis. Now, you probably know most of this content because you've done your Unit 2 exam. But in case you have other exams pending and you don't have enough time to solve full past papers, I would recommend to solve from 2023 onwards because the older exams are relatively easier and they're not going to be similar to your exam. Now, if you're struggling with any of the content of Unit 3, please tell me down in the comment. I wish you all best of luck for your exam.